The Mercedes-Benz GLE has been a cornerstone of the luxury SUV segment for over a decade. Let's take a journey through its evolution. The X164, introduced in 2007, was a spacious and comfortable SUV. Its AIRMATIC suspension and extended wheelbase made it a great choice for long drives and family outings. The diesel option with the OM642 Biturbo V6 engine provided a balance of power and efficiency. In 2012, the X166 arrived with a more powerful and fuel-efficient lineup of biturbo engines. Despite its larger dimensions, it was actually lighter and more technologically advanced than its predecessor. The off-road package offered enhanced capabilities for those seeking adventure. The latest generation, the X167, introduced in 2020, continues to push the boundaries of luxury and comfort. Its increased wheelbase and width provide an even smoother ride, while the MBUX infotainment system offers cutting-edge technology. The electrically powered second and third rows make it easy to configure the interior for various needs. This evolution showcases Mercedes-Benz's commitment to blending luxury with performance across its GL-Class lineup. Please support me by subscribing and liking my channel for more videos like this. Thanks!